welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about how I made this wig for Carnival Tuesday in Trinidad. Firstly, I'm going to start by showing you how I pluck my frontal. You're going to need a water spray bottle, a rat tail comb, and a tweezers. I start by spraying the hair and then separating the hair with the end of the rat tail comb. I didn't show spraying the hair here, but further on you'll see me spraying the hair. Then I will lightly tweeze the frontal, the hairs. I try not to pull it too hard, as you can see, and then after I tweeze, I just comb through the hair. So I'm just speeding through this because it takes really, well, not really long, but it takes a little while. And yeah, here you can see that I'm spraying the hair, then combing through it. Then I'll take the end of the rat tail comb and separate the hair. Then I will tweeze for a while, and then I'll just keep doing that over and over. I will go into the hairline a little bit, not too much, because I don't want to make it bald. I'm not the best at tweezing, but this is just what I do for now. I'm still learning and perfecting my technique. As you saw in the beginning, the color of my hair is kind of like a purple silver color. These are the dyes that I used. I'll leave it down in the description box. So I decided I wanted to try the hot water coloring method. This is the first time I'm doing this. I just used a small bowl because I didn't want to go and buy a whole big container. Then I just took the dye and I put it in the water. Like, I'm sure you guys have seen this. There are so many videos on this watercolor method. And I kind of winged it. Like, I just mixed whatever color, I just put whatever color I wanted. I kind of really wanted the hair to be more silver, but I ended up kind of putting that periwinkle purple color in it too, and I made it a little bit more purple. And I still like the color, but I think I should have stayed more silver. As you can see, I'm just dipping the hair into the water. This kind of color is better to do with 613 hair. If you watched my last video, I talked about getting 613 hair, and I wanted to do like a crazy color, so this is the color I wanted to do. And yeah, you just dip the hair in it, as you can see, and swish it around and then take it out. As you can see here, when you take the hair out, all the color out of the water is out, is onto the hair now. And later on, you'll see that I added more water and more color, and you just keep like testing it out until you get a color that you like. But just be careful, like, start light, start with a little bit and test it out, and then do more and more, because once you get like a dark color, you can't go back to light. So just take your time and make sure and coat the hair as best as possible. And this was the first time that I was doing this technique, and I just really took my time with it because I didn't want to dunk all of the 613 hair and then it got dark and I didn't like the color. So yeah, adding more water, more color, like, this is pretty self-explanatory. Like, you guys could just watch and I'll stop talking. But yeah, this is what I did. Because the state's not good again. Okay, on to actually making the wig. This is the wig cap that I used, and I just placed it on to the dome head. Yeah, dome head. And I just played around with the frontal and tried it in different positions until I got it into the right position. So you can see here that I'm placing it onto the dome head on top of the wig cap. This is I think this is my 10th wig, so I kind of wing it now. I don't really measure it on my head. Plus, my dome head is the same inch as my head. Mine is 21 inches. My head is a little small. I think the average person is 22. So I'm just sewing it on to the wig cap here. I'm sewing the frontal onto the wig cap. Sorry that the footage is not the best. It's the first time like I'm filming me making a wig. Hopefully the next time it will be better, but there are many videos on how to sew the frontal and the bundles onto the wig cap. As you can see here, I'm sewing the bundle the hair onto the wig cap. The rest of the footage is just me sewing the hair onto the wig cap. If you want a detailed video of how I sew my wigs, please leave a comment down below. Pretty much sewing hair. You're gonna see the result now. And this is how the wig turned out. The black part that you're seeing, that's the wig cap, that's going to be cut off. You'll see me cutting off soon. I'm just wetting the hair and like trying to mesh the hair together now. This is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of all over the place. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like this from me. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Enjoy the rest of the video. See you guys in my next one. Bye.